Remember, in the beginning I told you that just remember one word and you will have all the principles in your pocket. Are you ready for that one word? Are you ready, friends, for that one word? Are you ready, friends, for that one word? That one word is friend. So just carry this one word in your pocket and we can go outside after some time, not now. Just be friend. Just be friend. What does it mean? Let us see. Let us have an exercise. You all are focused? सब लोग मुझे देख पा रहे हैं? Right? अभी हर कोई अपना हाथ ऐसे अपनी आंखों के सामने और मेरे बीच लाइए. Everyone, please. Take out your hand in front of your face. Between you and me, between you and me, between you and me, there should be your hand. And not like this, fingers separated. Between you and me, everyone, between you and me, your hand. And now, through the gap between your fingers, look at me. मैं दिख रहा हूं? आपके हाथ के उंगलियों के बीच में मुझे देखिए. मैं दिख रहा हूं? अभी अपने फिंगर्स को देखिए. मैं दिख रहा हूं? When you focus on me, you can't see your finger clearly. It is blurred. And when you focus on finger, I am not seen. I am blurred. Right or wrong? This is what is first principle to understand. You know, we get that which we focus on. Life is all about what we focus on. You all have focused on finger. You were not able to see me. And when you were seeing me, you were not able to see the fingers clearly. It was blurred, hazy. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, you focus on the problem, that problem magnifies. You focus on the solution magnifies. You focus on the good qualities of the person, the good qualities in that person magnifies. You focus on the bad qualities of the person, the bad qualities in the person, they magnifies. Friends, you focus on success, you will get success. You focus on failure, you will get failure. एक बार एक माँ अपनी बेटी के साथ गार्डन में गई थी और एक पिताजी अपने बेटे के साथ गार्डन में गए थे. सो दैट स्मॉल गर्ल एंड स्मॉल बॉय, बोथ ऑफ देम क्लाइम्ड ऑन अ ट्री. दोनों पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़कर खेल रहे हैं. राइट? इतने में तूफान आया, जोर से हवा बहने लगी. पिताजी ने उसके बेटे को एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, माँ ने उसके बेटी को एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया. बेटा गिर गया, बच्ची ऊपर पेड़ पर सुरक्षित रही. यू नो व्हाई? पिताजी ने कहा, हाथ मत छोड़ना, गिर जाएगा. पिताजी ने कहा, हाथ मत छोड़ना, गिर जाएगा. और उस बच्ची की माँ ने कहा, बेटा सिर्फ डाली को पकड़े रखना. Apparently, the instruction was same, but one was with positive attitude, holding something, holding the branch, and another was with negative attitude, don't leave. First negation, don't. Second wrong instruction, leave. Third, you will fall. We are what we focus on. We achieve that what we focus on. घर में अगर कारपेंट्री का काम चल रहा हो ना, घर में अगर कलरिंग का काम चल रहा हो ना, तो दुकान सारे कलर के दिखते हैं दस्ते पे. Otherwise, we don't even notice the shops of color. Right? We achieve that which we focus on. Right? So the first formula is focus. Take a magnifying glass. Collect all the rays of the sun. You can create a fire. Right? So focus is first formula which we should imbibe in our attitude. Right? Second is R. R for repeated practice. We need to practice repeatedly, isn't it? Unless and until we practice repeatedly, it is always said in martial art, I am not worried about the 10,000 moves the opponent has learned one time. किसी अपोनेंट ने 1000 मूव सीखे हैं, 1000 पैतरे सीखे हैं एक बार. I am worried for the one move somebody has practiced for 1000 times. Right? A repeated practice, repeated practice, repeated practice. Inculcate true habit in us. So have a habit to win. Have a habit to achieve. Have a habit to succeed. So repeated practice is very important. द्रोणाचार्य ने अपने सारे शिष्यों को कहा, खास कर भीम को जो खाना बहुत पसंद करते थे, कि कभी भी अर्जुन के सामने अंधेरे में मत खाना. तो एक बार भीमसेन जी खा रहे थे, अंधेरा था और अर्जुन वहां से जा रहे थे. अर्जुन ने देखा, अरे भीम भैया की आवाज है, खा रहे? बोले हाँ. बोले अंधेरा है, आप खा कैसे सकते हो? तो भीमसेन ने कहा, अरे मेरा हाथ बराबर तो निवाला लेकर मेरे मुंह में डालता है. That time Arjun thought, if my elder brother Bhim can eat in dark, why can't I shoot in dark? That day onwards, Arjun practiced in the night when there was utter darkness, and with repeated practice, he achieved that mastery. Right? So practice makes man perfect. If you shed your sweat a lot in preparation, you will bleed less in the war. है ना? हमारा खून बहुत बहता है एग्जाम में. क्यों? क्योंकि पूरे साल हमने पसीना नहीं बहाया होता. अगर साल भर पसीना बहाएंगे ना, तो एग्जाम में खून का कतरा भी नहीं गिरेगा. राइट? सो रिपीटेड प्रैक्टिस इज फॉर R. F for focus. R for repeated practice. And if you repeatedly practice, if you focus, but you don't know what is there within you, if you don't know your inner strength, if you don't know what are the capabilities are there within you, if you don't know what you can achieve, what is the use of that repeated practice? You should know. Every one of you have a caliber. Every one of you have a caliber to be a scientist. Every one of you have a caliber to go to ISRO or NASA. What is required is to know that yes, I have that strength within. If I understand that I have that strength within, I can conquer the world outside. If you conquer world within, you can conquer the world outside. So friend, F for focus, R for repeated practice, I for inner strength, then E. E is for enjoying every moment. Unfortunately, we lack in it. When we go to movie, we think मेरा इतना सबमिशन बाकी है. We don't enjoy that movie. And when we sit for studying, Gadar 2, एक हफ्ता हो गया. Isn't it? We don't play when we are playing. We don't study when we are studying. We don't read when we are reading. We don't enjoy when we have to. Our life is to enjoy, not foolishly, but responsibly. We should enjoy every moment. We should enjoy studies. We should enjoy the hurdles in the college. We should enjoy the hurdles, even hurdles in our day-to-day life. Isn't it? Perfectionist होना उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है. कभी कभी रोना भी चाहिए, हंसना भी चाहिए, चिल्लाना भी चाहिए. Isn't it? We should enjoy every moment, understand our true self, and be true to our inner self and our outer self with everyone. Be as we are. है ना? Not wrong attitude wearing a socks. Wrong attitude is किसी को दिखेगा नहीं. मैं किसी को दिखता नहीं है तो मैं उसे पहनूंगा. किसी को दिखाऊंगा नहीं मैं अंदर से क्या हूं. That is wrong attitude. So enjoy every moment. Next is N. F-R-I-E. N. N for never ever give up. There was a British boy जिसको ना speech problem था. He was not able to speak properly. He became very big activist, and in the Oxford he was called for a speech. And when he entered in the auditorium, everyone was clapping. Everyone was clapping, right? And amongst that clap, he entered on the dais, and everyone was eager for his speech. He spoke just 3 words. He came up, he said, never give up, never give up, never give up. 3 words, 3 times. Want to know who was that? He was Winston Churchill, who was not able to speak, who was not able to speak in his childhood. There was a youngster, he struggled in Bollywood, and every director rejected him because he was very heighted. सब लोग बोलते थे मकड़ी का जाला निकाल, इतना हाइट है तो. You cannot do anything in the Bollywood. मुझे बताना पड़ेगा कौन है वो? Along Big B, है ना? अमिताभ बच्चन. Isn't it? There are so many examples. There are so many examples, right? Of the people who never give up. Sylvester Stallone. How many of you know him? A great Hollywood actor, isn't it? He had a jaw problem. Oral surgeon, dentist, and team of surgeons advised that his lower jaw has to be taken out and relocated and fit properly with lots of surgeries. That Sylvester Stallone became a great Hollywood actor. You know why? Because he never gave up. So the formula to success is never give up. Then there was a lady. In 1999, her husband was fighting Kargil war, and that lady had problem in her spinal cord. There was spinal surgery. In that spinal surgery, there were 183 stitches on her spinal cord. She became paraplegic. चल नहीं पाती, कुछ कर नहीं पाती, isn't it? But she had that guts within. She never gave up. She started swimming. She started running. She started doing all the activities because she never wanted to give up. She wanted to be achiever. She wanted to achieve her, and that lady with 183 stitches on the spinal cord, she won 53 national medals and 13 international medal and Olympic gold medal in Rio Olympic. Name is Deepa Malik. She never gave up. We give up every day. You know, we give up every day. Do we have 183 stitches? Do we have a problem to even stand up? Google one another name after the class. Wilma Rudolph. How many of you heard of that? Search it later. Wilma Rudolph, Afro-American, a small girl. She wanted to be a fastest runner. She got polio. Her legs became like this, half circle. Right leg half circle, left leg half circle. Wilma Rudolph could not walk. Doctors, orthopedics, everyone advised. What advice they gave? They gave the advice that do not make her stand. Keep her always on the bed. Never ever take her out of the bed. Let her lie down on the bed throughout her life. But she had that attitude of never giving up. And her father helped her. Medical science was not advanced that time. They used to tie a wooden rod to her legs to make it straight. And with a wood tied to her leg, she started walking, then she started running, then she started running fast. She was gold medal winner in Olympics. Wilma Rudolph. Why? Because she had that attitude and she never gave up. She never ever gave up. Right? Now, the last principle. जब भी I always give an example. Whenever something bad happens, let us say a corporate company, and somebody is fired. You know, hiring and firing is the game in corporate world. So if somebody comes to know that he is fired and he comes home, अब उसकी बीवी 8वीं पास है. Right. When he comes home with morose face, काय झालं हो? How many of you are Maharashtrian? How many of you know Marathi? Okay, almost everyone. Okay. So whenever her husband comes, she says, काय झालं? Nothing. What you are going to do? What you are going to help me? Isn't it? काय झालं एकदा सांगा तर मला. She is going to solve the problem, create an updated resume of him and forward to so many consultancies, put it on LinkedIn and job portals like Naukri.com and so on and so forth. No, she is not going to do anything. And then he tells कि नौकरी गई. You know what that 8th pass wife says? तुम्ही काळजी नका करू, मी आहे ना तुमच्यासोबत. Neither she is going to work, neither she is going to help him find another job, but what she gave is a big support from behind. We want that one person in life who can stand with us in every up and down of our life. We need that one person in life to whom we can speak naked truth. Any one of you have any friend to whom, any friend or any relative or anyone in your life to whom you can tell each and everything of yours, good or bad? Good? Few has that. It is a treasure. Preserve it. Right? So we need that support. We need that support. If we have that support system makes us stand still firm in every situation. And friend, what if we have a divine support? A support of knowledge, of timeless wisdom. isn't it? Knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Knowledge of Bhagavad Gita gives us strength to stand still, firm in every damn difficult situation in our life. Even the knowledge given in Bible, knowledge in the ayats of Quran, knowledge in Guru Granth Sahib, principles given in the stories of Bodhisattva by Siddhartha Gautam Buddha. This precious, timeless knowledge is truly a divine support. It is a divine support. One time I was giving a seminar in Wipro company. My topic was Gateway to Stress-Free Life. And I analyzed the stress symptoms, its effects, and the solution part with modern science, and I gave a comparative study of the stress symptoms, its effects, and the remedy for it from first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. And fortunately, both of that matches. So these books are true support which help us lead our life in an effective way without any hindrance. Isn't it? It is very important to understand these principles and imbibe those in our life. Right? If we imbibe these principles in our life, then definitely we can develop a great attitude and we can make our life successful. Isn't it? Thank you.